Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Lisa and Levi's Adventures. This week something massively exciting has happened. We can't wait to share it with you. It's been a dream of Levi's for the past 2 years and we've finally done it.
We bought a van!
On my mind, so say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be right. I love.
So this is our van. We bought it semi-converted, but we do plan to gut it all and make it our own.
What we took apart, yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me.
But obviously we couldn't. We can leave this up just there for now. This thing, ready?
So
Do you want this off?
that is fine.
Do you want this off?
I guess so.
Like, I'd rather have a full window here than that, eh?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Can I have a go?
Yeah. Already so much more light. Do you want it?
Oh,
What?
it's very sticky.
Oh, it's just come off the thing. We just want to pull it towards us a bit.
Yeah.
So up a tiny bit, and then out, and then towards you, towards you, towards you. Let's just put it over here.
It is day 3 of the van build. Yesterday was pretty busy and we're back to it again today. Levi, what are we doing today? What's on the agenda?
So today, I'm just quickly going over some spots that we missed yesterday with paint, but today...
What's the paint for?
Eh?
What's the paint for?
Just there was some like scratches where there was no paint, like on the floor. So we wanted to make sure there was some kind of coat on the, so it didn't rust. Anyways, today we are going to put down the flooring. So we've got these little battens here, which are going to go down, then we're going to insulate between the battens, and then we've just got some ply behind Lisa, which we will put down on top, and that'll be the base of our flooring. Yeah, that's the plans for this afternoon anyways.
And we've got the insulation.
Yeah, so last night we did a bit of a mission trip. Got some of this insulation, polyester insulation.
Fiberglass free.
Fiberglass free, you know how it is. Keep the lungs happy. But I kind of want to talk about what we've just done.
What have we just done?
We have just done something exciting as Are you ready? I don't have a knife, so I can't even open it. But in this box, we have our solar panels. Yeah! Like I said, I don't have a knife, so I can't open it, but we'll show you soon. And then over here, we've got our charge controller from Renogy. Excited to use that. We've got some batteries around the corner, our inverter around the corner. So once we put the flooring in, we're going to start trying to sort out all the solar. Isn't that right, Lisa?
It is.
I'm so excited.
So much power.
So excited.
Alright, let's get on with it.
Let's crack into it, eh?
Yeah. Let's do this.
So on that line, that is your ruler. Now that is perfect. Turn it wider. Release the back, and then go to grab a couple of bricks.
How many? Two?
Two, please. Perfect.
Fair enough. It's like caramel.
Probably doesn't taste like caramel. We're gonna need more bricks, babe.
Yeah.
Like, as in
Yeah.
the same spot. Because it's not heavy enough. Next one, I guess. Cool. So tomorrow, after work, or whatever, we can put the ply down. So I'm currently working on the flooring. I've just marked out the cuts for the wheel wells. So here, and also on this side. So I'm going to cut these out, and once I've cut those out, we'll go see if it fits. So hopefully it fits in first pop, but hey, we'll see how we go. Perfect. I think now that we've got the flooring in, we have to go for the old no shoes policy. First pop, I'm pretty happy with that fit. It's not a bad effort, I don't think. That's what we've got. That's pretty snug in the corners there. Right guys, as you can see, we are starting to do a bit of insulation work. We're putting this underneath our floorboards, but I don't know if this is going to work, because you're not really meant to compress it too much, but we're going to have to compress it a bit. The sheets that we've been getting, like the bats that we've got here, these are polyester bats, and I've just been ripping them in half because they're obviously way too thick as they are there. So that's what it's kind of coming out like, half the thickness. But obviously, as you can see, it's still a little bit high. But I'm hoping, even so, even with it being a bit compressed when the ply goes down, it should still do something, right? So we'll keep on going and see what happens. It's getting warm in here. Right, this is what we got so far. So I'm hoping, like I said, we'll compress it down a little bit. You're not meant to, but should still do something. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at the moment. So fill in over here, and we should be alright.
Hey guys, it's Friday evening. We've just finished a workout and now we're going to go crack on with the van. It's a little bit here and there because we have full-time jobs, so we're trying to get on with the van when we can. What are we doing tonight? Flooring?
Yeah, we're going to put down the insulation. I started some of it today, and the plywood, which is our base layer of the floor.
So into the dark we go.
Yep, I'll take that just in case.
Fully prepared.
And I think the rest of the stuff we need is already in the van. Let's go. Okay.
Morning guys. Why is that funny? You always laugh at me. Why do you laugh every time?
Sorry. Go, carry on.
Morning guys. Got pretty late last night and dark, so we couldn't show you our end result of the flooring, but here it is.
Got it all screwed down. It's all looking pretty good. Insulation in there. I'll go from around there. There it is.
You happy?
Yeah, that's exciting though. I'm glad we got that flooring in last night.
Me too. Are you wrapping this up?
We can both wrap it up.
Wrap it up then.
Wrap away.
You put the wrapping paper down, I'll put sellotape on.
You're so weird. So as you can see guys, the floor is now done. Well, the base floor is now done. So I hope you enjoyed us putting this all together.
Next chapter.
On to the next thing, which is, I guess, insulation and all the electrical,
hard stuff.
all the wiring and stuff. So stay tuned for that.
Hope you enjoyed this one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. It will help us out one day.
Over and out.
Peace.
On my mind, so say